What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. Today's video is focused on how I went from this to this poppin' little mama. So if you are excited to see how I got these amazing results, then keep on watching. So for this video, all of the products that I'll be using are by Miche Beauty, and I would like to thank Miche Beauty for sponsoring this video. They sent over their entire line, and I'm going to be sharing the specific products that I use to achieve this wash and go. So the first thing that I do is rinse my hair out, removing all old product or any product buildup that I have because I'm getting ready to shampoo my hair. And to shampoo my hair, I'm using the Miche Beauty Cleansed Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Just by opening the shampoo and putting it in my hand, I already knew that this shampoo process was going to be a breeze. First and foremost, the product itself smells amazing, and it has a really amazing creamy formula that just kind of goes right into all of your hair, and it lathers up really easy. What I love is that it lathers, but it is a shampoo, like I said, that doesn't have any sulfates. It is pH balanced, so as I was rinsing out this shampoo, I didn't feel like my hair was stripped. It didn't feel hard or brittle. In fact, I was tempted to even finger detangle my hair with the shampoo, but I didn't because that's for the conditioning process. But yeah, this shampoo process was really easy. A little goes a long way with this shampoo. The bit that you saw me pour in the beginning was the only amount that I used throughout my entire hair. And I also just used it to focus on my scalp and then a little bit on my ends. Then I let the water just run through my hair to rinse out that shampoo. My next step was to condition my hair, but instead of just using a regular conditioner, I used the Miche Beauty Strengthen Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner. I knew that I was having some moisture issues. I felt like I had an overload of moisture, which is why I went with this specific deep conditioner. And the consistency of the product is so thick. And here I go again saying how much I love thick products because my hair just drinks it all the way up. This deep conditioner nourishes and revitalizes your hair. I was able to have a lot of manageability. It also aids in repairing damaged hair and improves your hair elasticity. The detangling process was super simple. I first went in with my fingers just to get that first layer of knots out of the way, and then I followed up with my Denman brush just to make sure that everything was detangled and ready for styling once I rinsed this out. This deep conditioner really helped with the amount of slip that it has. I was able to run my fingers through with no issue, as you see me doing here. Miche Beauty also provides another deep conditioner, which is the Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. That one works well for dull, dry, or frizzy hair, or if your hair is protein sensitive, that would be the perfect deep conditioner for you to use because it does not contain any protein. Overall, I really enjoyed using this deep conditioner, and what I really liked more than anything was the fact that they don't have a regular conditioner. You have your cleanser and then you dive right into deep conditioning, and I love deep conditioning because it's such an important part of the wash day process, just to make sure that your hair is receiving everything that it needs in order to flourish. So once I applied all of that deep conditioner, I left it in my hair for about 30 minutes and then hopped back into the shower to rinse it out. And I was so happy with my results. My curls were clumped, my hair felt soft, it was ready to be styled. Moving along to the styling process, I started off by first adding in the Boost Leave-In Spray. Another alternative leave-in that they have is the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner, but because I was going for a wash and go, I decided to use the Boost Leave-In. This leave-in conditioner smells so good, y'all. Like, I was throwing it in my hair and I'm going crazy, and I want to add more because it just smelled that good. I then followed up by adding in some of the Bounce Curl Defining Cream to help clump and define my curls for this wash and go. I really enjoyed using the Boost leave-in spray. It is also a refresher spray for when you have your wash and go for a couple of days and you need to refresh your curls. This leave-in is perfect. It's lightweight, it moisturized my hair, it hydrated my hair, and I was able to just gently add in that product and run my fingers through. The Bounce Curl Defining Cream is a one and done light to medium hold product. I love it for wash and goes. I'm excited to try it for a twist out or for a perm rod set. It's very moisturizing, and I really do feel like it did a really good job at defining my curls. It doesn't require a leave-in. Like I said, it is a one and done product, but for the sake of sharing my feelings on the leave-in spray, I went ahead and did that for you guys. I was amazed, okay? Like, my curls were clumping, they were shiny. I just felt like my hair was getting everything that it needed to have the best wash and go. Typically, I am a little hesitant with one and done products or when I'm just using a styling cream for my hair because I am so used to using a gel to help define my curls. But with this defining cream, I did not have that issue. All I did was separate my hair into smaller sections and went ahead and clumped my curls just using the shingling method.
How is that even possible? What? Oh, wow.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
I continued applying those products all over my hair in small sections, and then in my trouble areas where I struggle with a little bit of definition, I kind of just finger coiled my hair just a tad bit. Then I followed up by diffusing my hair. My hair was about 50% dry at this point, and I just went ahead and used my diffuser to help dry my hair and clump those curls just a little bit more. I then followed up by applying the polished hair and scalp oil, which I think is my favorite smelling product in this entire line. Like, I thought everything else smelled good, but when I put this thing on my hands, this is where it's at, okay? These products are so good. I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to be able to receive this entire line. So I am hosting a giveaway. There will be one winner that will be chosen. All you have to do is go down to the link in my description box and fill out the information and comment in the comment section and let me know which product you are most excited for. Or if you'd like to purchase the products for yourself, you can use my discount code to receive 10% off your next purchase. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.